Want to make viral Facebook Reels that get you lots of followers and make money in the content monetization program? You're in the right place. I'm Christina, and this is the Social Media Strategy Lab. And today I'm going to teach you how to make viral Facebook Reels in less than 1 minute. This tutorial may actually take a couple of minutes, but once you have this process down, you'll be able to pump out hundreds of Reels in less than 100 minutes. I use this process all the time, and I'm currently making around $5,000 a month in Facebook's content monetization program. So let's get started. So where you're going to start is in Meta Business Suite. So you're actually going to look at what's already working for your page. So I'm going to move myself over, and then we're going to go to the Insights tab within Meta Business Suite, and we're going to go to Content. Then we're going to filter that content by shares. And what we're looking for are posts that have already gone viral on our page. So posts with a lot of shares is the best indication of what's gone viral. So I see I have this post that has 7,801 shares. So let's take a look at that. So this post is a simple meme. It shows a woman at a campsite and says, "Forever that girl who chooses this over designer bags." But this post did really well, so we're going to turn it into a meme. Now, if you don't have a lot of your own image posts on Facebook, you can look for other people's posts that are getting lots of shares, because we're going to not actually download and reuse their posts. We're going to recreate them, which is totally fine on Facebook as long as you're making your own content, making it slightly different. You can definitely copy the other ideas that people are using. So if you have your own post, I would use your own. If you don't, look around for things in your niche that are highly viral. You can see shares on public posts, so look for things with over 1,000 shares. So I'm going to download this image, and if I were doing this as bulk creation, I would go and download, my top 20 images at once. Then I'm going to go to ChatGPT, and I've already entered the prompt because I have it saved, so I'm going to upload a meme, write a Sora prompt to turn that meme into a 10-second video, no logos, no text. The one thing Sora isn't really good at is adding text on posts, so we're going to do that in a later step. So I upload that meme and hit go. And again, I usually do this in bulk in reality, so I'm uploading. Sora lets you upload 10 images at a time, so I get 10 prompts at once that I can put into Sora, which makes the whole process quicker. So it gives me a prompt. I simply copy that. Then I go to Sora, enter that prompt, and I've already got one here. It usually takes a couple of seconds to create that, but I've got one here, so I can go ahead and download that video. Then the next step, we go to Canva. Go to Canva, I'm going to select Instagram Reel. It's actually going to go on Facebook, but they're all the same size. And then I'm going to upload that video that I just had in Sora and put that as the background of the page. So then I'm going to add a heading, so quickly add the text, and "Forever the girl who chooses this over designer bags." And then I'm going to quickly format the text. I'm going to add a background. Going to make it the right size, so put some good margins in. Move it up. About 70 should fit. We want it on 3 lines, so let's do that. Spacing, usually a 1, so it's easy to read, and then pick a nice font. Great, and then I'm going to make sure that text expands for the whole video. Now, one thing is you can animate the text, but I usually don't because we want the cover photo on Facebook to be attention grabbing. And when you animate the text, it doesn't show up on that cover photo, and so I found it doesn't perform as well. So I wouldn't animate the text, I would just keep it. We have this video Sora made us. We're going to make sure it's 10 seconds. It's got to be 10 seconds if you're in content monetization. The reel will not be monetized if it's not at least 10 seconds long. But that's it. The reel is ready, so we can go ahead and download. And it's important that even if your reel does not have text, you do want to upload it into Canva or to another video editor because the frame rate of the videos when you download them from Sora is actually lower than what Facebook recommends. So it may be flagged as a low quality video. So even if you're not adding anything, even if you're using the video just as it is for Sora because it was a meme or an image without any text, then you're just going to put it in here and make sure that you download it as a high quality video. You can do this in Canva and CapCut and whatever video editor you choose. So once you've downloaded your reel from Canva or your video editor of choice, you're going to go in here and you're going to create a reel in Facebook. So simply upload that video, click next. We don't need closed captioning or any of that, so next. So here you're going to want to enter a caption. Longer captions tend to perform better because they hold that engagement a little longer, so anyone who reads the caption stays on the video longer, and that longer engagement time tells Facebook that people like your video and they show it to more people and it increases the virality. So I just go back into Sora and say write a 300-word caption for this video. And it writes me a beautiful caption. So I'm simply going to copy that caption, go back to Facebook, do it, and then select post. And we're all done. And that's a Facebook reel that I almost can guarantee you will go viral. Don't forget to subscribe for more Facebook and social media tips and tricks.